Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel.
We could make it if it's
It's your boy AQ doing my first video. I tried doing a Q&A, but that didn't work out, so I thought today I'll do a little vlog. I'm gonna dye this bad boy pink today, because I've been wanting to do it for a long time. And since it's New Year's, Happy New Year, by the way. May 2021 bring you all happiness and joy. So I thought today I'm gonna dye my beard, and I'm gonna dye it pink. I don't know how that's gonna come out or look, but my beard is becoming dusty and it's losing a lot of volume. So I was like, before I restart, I'm gonna dye a few colors and then just chop it all off. I'm gonna take you guys with me to the journey. I'm gonna go get the dye first and get some coffee. I'm a little aggy today. I need my coffee fix in the morning. So without further ado, I'm gonna take you guys. I'm getting ready quickly. So once I'm done with all of that, I'm gonna take you guys with me to the journey of my hair dye. So let's go. So I don't know if you guys can hear, but I just stepped out. I'm gonna get some coffee and I'm gonna go buy the dye for my beard. Picked up my coffee. Bro, I haven't had a decent coffee in a long time because I've been locked in the house for like 4.5 weeks. Alright, it's quite actually busy in here, you know. So I'm going to the shampoo aisle and colors. But damn, it's busy. Okay, this is what I think I'm looking for is that's the color I need. Jeez, it was so busy. When I say busy, freaking hell. Damn, but yeah, I picked up my dye and I picked up other things, a little shopping and that, quick snacks and stuff. So let's go, let's do this. I'm actually excited. So I'm back home. Oh my god, it's actually freezing. I picked this live pink dye. Hopefully it comes out nice because I'm a little bit nervous. My beard is a mess, but yeah, so I'm gonna actually doing this. Oh jeez. Okay, we're doing this. So the box comes with the color cream ultra brightness, and it also comes with 2 care conditioner. Before anything, let's read the manual. So it says, before starting application, keep an old towel, t-shirt nearby and watch so that you can monitor the development time. Wash your head, full hair, but I'm doing the beard so I don't need the head. It doesn't say how long you're supposed to keep this on, but I'm a little bit confused. I thought you're supposed to mix it, but it does not say anything about mixing anything. So I'm assuming you just apply this straight away. I don't know, but we're gonna try. Hopefully, fingers crossed that okay, let's see. Okay, so it's already pink, you can see. So I'm assuming you just do this. No? So I'm assuming you just do that and then apply, right? I did it. Oh my god. Wait, why does it... Is it me or is it looking like purple-ish? Okay, I think I think I'm all done. Sorry, I'm not mad. I'm kinda liking it. And now I'm just gonna wait and see. Fingers crossed. I'm not mad. I'm not mad.
Who mad? I'm not mad. I'm not mad. You mad?
I am not mad. I am not mad. It's fine. I'm not mad. I haven't gone crazy. This lockdown has not made me crazy. It is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. So I'm gonna keep this in for like 15 to 20 minutes. It doesn't say anything on the packet, so I don't know what's... Okay, so it's been almost 25 minutes now, so I'm gonna go wash this off and then I'm gonna come back and do the reveal. Fingers crossed. So this is how the color came out. A little purplish in there, a little like the blonde is still in, like little orangey in there. It didn't pick it up properly, but it is what it is. I kind of like it. This lighting is jeez. But yeah, so I don't know, I'm digging it and I'm not digging it, but that's how it came out. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more videos. Till next time, my people, peace.